If you could react on this, some of us.
Leaving thousands dead, countless displaced, and numerous communities destroyed. Recognizing the urgent need for a change in approach, the coalition of northern groups took a bold and necessary by assembling a committee of security experts, which comprised Major General retired Sarkin Bello Sarkin Yaki as the chairman of the committee, Alhaji Ibrahim Ahmad Katsina retired ADG as the vice chairman of the committee. Other members include Brigadier General retired Abubakar Hanafi Saad, Controller General retired Abu Abdullahi Ghana Mohammed, ABM retired Monday Riku Morgan, Alhaji Salisu Mohammed, CG retired Muhammad Babandede, Hadi Usman Sudawa, DIS retired, Hassan A. Zungeru, State Commander Narcotics, member, and Colonel retired Okojo Kennedy Obole, also as a member. Others include ACG retired Bashar Abubakar, MFR, Commodore retired David D. Navaida, AIG retired Paul Yakadi, CP retired Hassan Zakar Biu, Engineer Abba Eko, FNSE, and Dr. Aminu Idris served as the secretary of the committee. This committee, which has been working for the past 3 months, examines the inadequate response to the security crisis, highlighting the absence of synergy among security agencies, the lack of cooperation between the states and federal government, and the neglect of public involvement in combating these issues. The committee's research focused on key areas such as threat assessment, factors responsible for the deterioration of insecurity, containment strategies, coordinating platforms for joint security operations, and socio-economic factors that contribute to insecurity. Members of the committee also held engagement with relevant national security chiefs and some governors of the frontline states and gained useful insights and input. In the end, a roundtable discussion was proposed that will review and provide input into the operational framework for a multidimensional approach to tackling the security challenges in the region developed by the Technical Committee of Experts. The roundtable will bring together frontline northern state governors, national security chiefs, heads of security agencies, academics, policymakers, security experts, justices and judicial officers, traditional rulers, clerics, and other critical stakeholders. The aim is to develop strategies for collaborating between federal, state, and local authorities, as well as the involvement of the general public. The outcome of the roundtable will be a model to democratize the security project by engaging individuals and communities, as well as various stakeholders, to take ownership of the security efforts in the region. The discussion will include 4 syndicate sessions and an interactive session with state governors, security chiefs, and heads of security agencies. These sessions will provide a platform for in-depth discussions, knowledge sharing, and the formulation of actionable strategies. The roundtable will take place from the 24th to 25th of January 2024 at the Nigerian Army Resource Center in Asokoro, Abuja. Various committees, including a sub-technical committee on security and a planning committee on security, which is chaired by Alhaji Bashar Yusuf, have been formed to oversee the event. In conclusion, the Coalition of Northern Group is committed to addressing the critical issues affecting the northern region. Through our upcoming roundtable discussion, we aim to foster collaboration, cooperation, and synergy, develop actionable strategies, and engage all stakeholders in finding sustainable solutions. We urge everyone to join us in this endeavor, as together we can overcome the challenges and create a brighter future for the northern Nigeria and Nigeria in general. Long live CNG, long live northern Nigeria, and long live Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you. Beyond Abuja and the environment is an entire northern part of the country, in fact by extension the country in general. That's why we decided to have this roundtable so that at least experts on these securities will give us an advice, and we will democratize the process by involving every stakeholder to participate in the security, and believes that the security challenges is our problem, not only as a whole, either security agents, government, or whatever problem. Collectively, we believe that we will solve the problem, inshallah. What stand out is that this one will be coming up with implementations. We have so the round table, you will see our action.
So you have partnerships or systems that you put in place?
We have a lot of partnerships, and we believe that action will speak louder than voice. Please, the round table is older than the IGP's launching of this intervention squad yesterday. And the essence of the round table is just for us to believe that the security challenges is a platform that we can say we want to democratize it in a situation whereby you and I will participate in it and we give our contribution. Because if you heard from the security agents, they have been complaining about informers from various places. It is only when you and I agree to participate in this program that we can bring an end to these issues of informers. It's not that we don't have confidence in anybody. It's not that we are not satisfied with the work of anybody, but we have seen the situation is gradually becoming something different. All hands must be on deck in order to ensure that we raise all these security challenges that we are facing, not only in northern Nigeria, but in the country at large. And I believe that IGP in person will be there in the round table because we invited him. We had made so many engagements to so many people at various levels. We believe that people will be there. If they have any idea or contribution, they can add that contribution. Our own challenges is just how are we going to solve the security problem in northern Nigeria and Nigeria at large. And any way, any means, any other ways or means that somebody can provide is highly welcome and will be appreciated by this organization.
Also, the federal government has provided a solution, maybe have a solution to this, especially this abduction and kidnapping, by saying that the victims should downplay the issue of ransom. What is your stand or your take on this?
Well, actually, you see, that's why we invited all these. The National Security Advisor in person will be there. The service chiefs will be there. The CDS will be there. All these sectors, they will be there. So in as much as they agree that this is what we're supposed to do, then CNG will welcome the idea. As I'm saying that we are not here to do any lamentation or to passion the blames on one side or another person. What we are here to do is that we want to invite stakeholders. The stakeholders, that means the general public. One, for them to believe that the security challenge is our own problem. Two, is for us to believe that the security challenges can only be resolved when you and I decided to participate on how to bring an end to this problem. So any idea, not even only the federal government or the IGP, even if you have your own idea, write your package, submit it to the round table, we will use it. That's why we have the panelists, we have 4 syndicates, and those syndicates comprise so many important people that have been participating in the security challenges in this country. That's why we have the interactive session. That's why we invited all the security experts headed by a retired Major General, Bello Sarkinyagi. I believe that Bello Sarkinyagi is probably known. People like Rico Morgan, they are all known. People like Brian Katsana, the DG, the NIA, the DSS, the police, the CDS, the service chiefs, they are all part of this program. The governors, those that believe in kinetic and non-kinetic, are also part of this program. So we believe that the round table will bring out a bold framework that will be designed and will be implemented by the federal government or by whomever supposed to implement within his jurisdiction for us to curtail the issue of insecurity.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.